Today, we play Animal Company. Oh yeah, chat. Let's do this. Oh, I'm so laggy. This is a very cool invention. Oh, now?
Oh la la, can I wait? Are you gonna use this?
Yeah.
I'm so laggy.
Oh, here.
Hey guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Where'd it go?
Wait, bro, it's right there. Bro, don't take it. Yo, don't take his stuff. Yo. Wait, bro, you can put it in your bag if you want to go somewhere.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Please be quiet, my parents.
So I got it?
Yeah. But if you want to upgrade, you need 5 diamonds and you can do this. Wait, look. You can do this. Please. Can I afford anything?
Hey. This gets you stuff that you can't normally get. Like this. A hip slot. This is a tactical right hip slot that I have been saving for. I just got
me across
a tactical hip slot. Yeah, chats. Betty, what's you for him for?
Hello? Yeah.
I guess he
Thank
doesn't.
you for this. Thank you.
What the frick? Why? This is the super,
This is not what I have. I found it.
super obliterator 3K. Hi.
Hi.
What's that?
Hi.
What's that?
This is Jordan. Then wait, do you want this?
Yeah, I'll like it back.
Wait, can I group save it first? Can I group save it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have the brooms and stuff? Oh, he's gone.
Wait, don't steal it. Do not. Yo, do not. Okay, here, you can have it. Yo, you stole my thing. Here, you can have it back if you want.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Johnny. Oh God. Ugh.
Turn off.
Oh, I feel replenished.
Who wants to get flung across the map? Who wants to go to heaven? Anybody want to go to heaven?
Alright, Johnny. I'm gonna go deposit this
Who
stuff.
wants to go to heaven? Hey, bro, you want to go to heaven?
No. I do know where I want to go, though.
Painter's tape. Oh, yeah.
Bye-bye.
Alright. I'm gonna go deposit this VHS.
Since you said that, I'm going in here. I found it, but I'm lost now.
Here's my victim ass. Victim. Where's my victim Shrek at?
Oh, I fell down. I'm back. Oh, wait, I'm coming.
Shrek.
Hey, you want to get flung across the map?
Better
hold on.
question.
Here.
You wanna get flung?
tell
Get
you
over
where I
here,
wanna
boy. Get over here. Let's see who punches who. No flying. No flying, boy. You.
Your
Greco, I can go.
This server is too laggy, so I'm going to live. Yo.
Or a vine.
Okay, bro. You should get
Eat it right now. Eat it right now. Eat it right now. Eat it right now. Get over here. You do big and you black. It will report on them. It will report on being racist. These cause only of your black and so too. You too big! You too big and you too black!
Here. Let's get the cheese. I'm so laggy.
No, let's not go there. Alright, guys. I'm gonna get the portal.
Too laggy. Zus. Yeah, dang. Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god, there's another. Oh god, I gotta run. Is there seriously another modern here, really?
Bro!
Oh my god, there's another modern here!
Now I have an iPad. Great, now I have an iPad on my dynamite, but motor.
Thank goodness.
I made him leave by thinking he was getting reported. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's my disinfection. I will defeat you.
Yo, come to catch if you want to play hide and go seek. Come to catch if you want to play hide and go seek.
To what?
I didn't go seek.
What are we gonna do?
Play hide and go seek.
How?
Can we do it around the map? Can we do it around the map? No,
I won't play hide and seek.
no. He's using a one-shot loop, but I'm
modern.
Is it just gonna be in this main map?
It's probably gonna.
Hey guys,
be
who wanna die for
somewhere.
free?
What's the code
Now you think I'm crazy?
I challenge you to a fair fight. I'll give you my exact same loadout.
KFC
What's the code? What's the code? And I challenge you to a fight. What's the code?
KFC 5. KFC 5.
Hey, I challenge you to a fight.
KFC
Hey, pink.
KFC 5.
Alright. Can you type in
KFC 5. If he is lying to me, I am going to crash out. Yes. Oh. No.
Anyone in this code?
Yes, there's the hide and seek server.
Wait, should I pick my hide and seek spot now?
Probably not.
Bandicoot.
Oh!
let me show you.
You seen
Guys, I
that?
have
You,
a
you,
reason-
you want to see some skateboarding
Guys,
tricks?
Hold up. I recently
Woo!
have a goop building. No,
You want to see some real
project.
skill? You want to see some real skill? Go outside.
Yeah,
Can I
sure.
do my
I'm gonna
goop
show you
build
some real
pro-
skill.
I'm not gonna. Guys,
My
I'm
bad.
just. No, I'm gonna show you. Look.
Because
my
I am the
goop building
one.
project I'm currently working on. It's this. Look. Ow.
Did you not see that?
I did
That was
see that.
skill right there.
Already? Ready?
That was
Look.
skill
So
right
my
there.
recent goop building project. Oh, where's the balloon? Where's the balloon, bro? Alright, guys, ready? Look. So look, I can make the spin. Or, dude, bro, you're ruining it. Get out. Can I use this for the hide and seek?
No, it's gonna stay in this main map.
I'd rather not.
I can still play with no light. Guys, my sister
I'm working on a. I'm
my
working on
sister
a
just
Goop
tried
project.
to
You know what?
troll me.
I'm working on a. I'm building a Goop build lighthouse. I'm building a Goop build lighthouse. So let me show you something.
Woo!
If you use a balloon,
Look. I am
Guys,
the one.
if you use a balloon, and then you tap that, and then look.
Everybody
Alrighty,
go to stage.
guys.
Everybody go to
Look,
stage.
it's like
Everybody go to stage.
spinning like a lighthouse.
Everybody go to stage.
Yeah, it's spinning like a lighthouse.
No guns. No guns.
Wait,
Everybody come to stage. Everybody come to stage.
Oh,
Stage? Which stage? Which stage?
The one behind the place. Don't know where it is. Come to
Stage 5?
there's a stage if you, or else you're getting kicked.
Hello?
Yo, everybody come to couch or else you're getting kicked. Everybody come to couch.
Did this
Come
kid?
in. 20, 19, 18,
Timer?
17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10.
I'm here! I'm here!
Come
I'm here!
down. Come to
Oh, hurry up.
go to studio. Go to over there.
Oh, stage. What's good?
Yo, I'm gonna open up a portal. Can you turn that off? Everybody, I thank you.
Hey, don't kill.
Alright.
No, oh my.
He's killed himself.
Alright.
Oh, my bad, Radiohead guy.
The hide and go seek will be in Creative Studios. Everybody go hide. Go hide in Creative Studios. I bet. Can we change, do you want us to change our avatar? I don't care what you are. Are you sure you're not going to cheat and use the map? I feel like the seeker's going to cheat and use the. Everybody, go. How much time do? Everybody. Where do we hide? I don't know how much more time you have. You have to hide in Creative Studios. Can we glitch out of the map? Oh, you're getting kicked. Can we glitch out of the... If you want. I bet. But you can't glitch out of the map. I can glitch out of the map because I know how to.
Oh yeah, we up here. Oh yeah. Huzz. 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 Huzz.
Create a studio.
Trying to glitch out the freaking map.
20, or 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Oh, hurry up, my battery's at 15%. It could be at 14 right now. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come. Okay, finally.
I got it. How do you play?
And no telling where anybody is. If you snitch where anybody is, you will be kicked. Someone's in my face. I'm joking.
Do you?
I need beer.
And no turning small, no turning small. If you are, it's fine. I swear at the first Starfish I saw a purple mushroom blow up.
Yo, bro, what's up?
No one's finding.
Playing hide and seek.
5 more people remaining. 5. One person just got out, man. Damn.
No. Carter, shh. I'll just mute myself.
I just heard someone say found you. Do you have to kill us for it to count? No, I just find you and kick you. I don't have ammo for my gun, so I can't. White, I found your snowboard if you want it.
He found my snowboard. Oh shit. No, dog, you can keep it. Yeah.
I'm not really glitched out in Stash. I know that's in Creative Studios, but just don't glitch.
We can't.
Inside of something, is that okay?
We're in one set map.
Yeah, if you're inside of something, it's alright, but not. You can't be inside of Stash. Alright, I'm not.
And what if I am?
What?
What if I am in Stash?
What if you are in Stash?
Yeah.
You can just, I'm just gonna, where you at in Stash?
No, I'm not in Stash. I'm just saying, like, what if I am?
I would probably just, hurry up and see you went into Stash for no reason.
I'm outside of the map. I hear that nigga shit.
And if you didn't hear me in the public lobbies, if you win, you will be granted, some money. First, second, and third place will get third place will get, 2 items of their choice. Wait, No, third gets 1 item, second gets 2 items, first gets a lot of money and a favorite item.
Oh, my battery's low. Fuck.
Free seeking. How many people are still?
Can we get a player count? 4?
3 people remaining.
They kick us.
So either way, if
We're getting
you
rewards,
lose,
that's why.
you'll still be granted an item at the end. You just have to go to lobby.
But they're gonna give us an item of our choice. Like he's gonna buy it for us.
I know that it's top 3. Each
There's
person
3
has to
people
give me
left.
1 hint.
Out of the map.
All right, wait. Can we tell you our stages?
Creative Studios. You know the Hollywood area. You know the place where it looks like where the
I'm gonna give you
Casanat
a
room
hint.
is.
It's kind of dark
They're
where I
in
am.
that area. But I'm out of the map.
I'm in one
Like,
of the stages.
fuck. Oh fuck.
Like,
I'm like halfway out of the map, kinda.
I'm not in the hallway. If someone's out, then they are 3rd place.
I'm muted myself. I'm muted myself so fucking fast. Yeah, he passed right under me too. Cause like
Make
where
sure
I'm
to
at,
check your maps.
it's like a crack in the ceiling, and I can
I
go
have
through there and they can't see me from under.
Wait, you can't check your map? That's
Huh?
cheating. The seeker can't do.
Fuck. Fuck.
I found you.
True.
Hold up. Why?
The seeker's checking their map? That's cheating. White. The seeker should be banned from using their map. I bet. Because then it's cheating.
He found me and then I juked his ass. I juked his ass out.
Yo, White, where
Do you want us
go?
to? Yo, White, where did you go? I saw you and then I didn't.
He don't know where the fuck I am. Cause
Wait,
when
is White?
I fell from where I was. He seen me and then I
No,
ran away.
I have to find you, but either way, you have to go back to lobby if I find you. Oh, it's not if you saw. Alright, so Cole, whatever your name is, give me a hint.
I'm high.
You're high? I'm high too.
Yeah, I'm high up.
I'm high too. No, I think one person is talking about the other.
Nah, you low-key seen me, and then, cause I had fell out of my area, and then I low-key, like, hid back. I went back to where I was.
Who's really nervous right now? Not me. I feel like White should be the nervous because, like, I saw him and then I didn't. Like, I don't know where he is now. I'm researching this top area. Can somebody just get caught already so we can start having some fun? Well, y'all are good at hiding. Oh yeah, right.
Found you.
I want to quit, but at the
Alright,
same
White,
time I
White,
don't
White,
want to.
Damn.
White, White. Just go to lobby. Just go to lobby.
Alright.
Alright, you still get one item every choice.
Thank you.
Good game. Just stay at lobby.
That's a crazy hiding
Alright,
spot.
White has been found. Cole, whatever his name is. I got somewhere. 2 more people left. Now, what are y'all stages where y'all are in? Stage 6, Neon Sea Lion. I'm not in a stage. What about the other guy? He's
Dom.
silent.
I got my right hip slot.
I'm not in the stage.
5. I went mining.
Yo, where are y'all guys at?
I'm playing hide and seek, and this guy's gonna give me 1 free item. What should it be?
Yo, whoever's left,
Decisions,
can they
yes.
talk?
Yo, can I help search?
Just say like hello in the mic. Hello!
Can I help search?
Wait, what stage are you in again? I know there's one in stage 6. Where's the other one? I'm not in a stage. What do you mean you're not in a stage? Like soccer field? In a stage? Creative Studios? I'm in Creative Studios, I'm not in a stage. I could be anywhere but the stages. So you're in Creative Studios.
Hi.
What?
Can I help look?
Nah. That wouldn't be too
Alright.
fair.
Alright.
Wait, who's the one who's was found who? What's their name? What do you mean you're not
Coral Orca.
in any stages? Somebody joined.
Yo, hello?
Charlie, get out of the code.
Charlie.
Yeah, who
Charlie.
just joined? Who just joined?
It's some guy called Walnut Shrimp. I found him. He's at Stump.
Adore shrimp.
First of all, let me finish up. You said the wrong name.
Alright,
Yeah, I seen. He got disintegrated.
wait, guy is not in the stage. What do you mean you're not in the stage? I'm not. I'm in Creative Studios. I'm not in stage. I'm not outside the map. I'm just not in stages. That's all I'm giving you. Figure it out.
He's like how I was. I wasn't in the stage. I was just out in the hallway.
Oh, or wait, there's a chance you could be at the starting area. Cause like the areas that aren't in stages are the starting area and the hallway. True.
Yo, Jumbo Wombat, my VR is almost about to die.
Alright, well, let me go get your stuff. The 2 people who are still in, you are allowed to move around if you want. You don't have to, but you are allowed to. It's me has the VR. So, isn't it fair? in second place because his VR is just gonna die.
Alright. Let me give you your
So
item.
he at least gets something before his VR dies. See,
Your item is...
Oh.
Would you want this?
Do you have like the drilling tools?
Drilling tools?
Like the Grimstaff or the Aspect Caliber?
I don't know what that is.
Oh. What do you have?
Do you want this ruby
have
diamond?
you given him the prize?
I need to talk to somebody that knows something about it. Dom. Are green rubies rare?
Who won?
Oh. Not really.
Alright.
No. I was in a contest.
Here, take this.
Hey, nice, thank you.
Oh no. Put it in your stash. You might expect.
Are you back to seeking yet? Or... Yeah, I'm coming back.
Alright, just put it in your stash, and you can just leave, or
So I'm
I'll
like the
kick
last
you.
person left.
Hey, thanks for the opportunity.
No feline here.
I'm out.
Still alive.